Welcome back. Today we're diving into a powerful all-in-one cleaning solution built for modern homes that need strong suction, deep mopping, and smart automation. This is the eufy Robot Vacuum E25, an upgraded vacuum and mop combo engineered to deliver high cleaning performance with intelligent navigation and minimal maintenance. If you're looking for a robot that handles daily dirt, pet hair, and corner-to-corner cleaning, this model brings a lot to the table. Let's start with power. The E25 packs an impressive 20,000 Pa turbo suction, giving it the strength to lift embedded dust, debris, and hair from carpets and hard floors. Whether you have pets, kids, or high-traffic areas, this suction level ensures deeper and more consistent cleaning results. Combined with its optimized airflow design, the suction stays stable throughout the entire cleaning cycle. A major highlight is the roller mop with the HydroJet system. Unlike standard robot mops that simply drag a wet cloth, this system uses a powered roller design that maintains constant scrubbing pressure while evenly applying water. The result is cleaner floors, fewer stains, and a more polished finish. The mop stays cleaner throughout the run thanks to controlled water flow and consistent roller rotation. Another standout feature is the edge-to-corner cleaning technology. The robot uses extended movement patterns and precision side sweeping to reach deep into corners and along wall edges that most round robots fail to clean. Add in the Zero-Tangle design, and you get a brush system engineered to minimize hair wrapping, a huge advantage for pet owners. Navigation is powered by upgraded AI obstacle avoidance, allowing the E25 to detect shoes, toys, cables, furniture legs, and other small household objects with accuracy. Instead of bumping into obstacles, it smoothly navigates around them, maintaining an efficient cleaning route. Its smart mapping system lets you customize cleaning modes, set room-specific preferences, create no-go zones, and adjust suction or mop settings directly from the app. The robot handles mixed flooring effortlessly, switching between mopping and vacuuming depending on your settings. Maintenance is streamlined with an efficient dustbin design, easy access filters, and a mop system that's simple to rinse and reinstall. Whether you're dealing with daily dust or occasional deep cleaning needs, the E25 is built to be reliable, powerful, and easy to manage. If you want a robot vacuum and mop that offers strong suction, smart navigation, and upgraded edge performance, the eufy Robot Vacuum E25 is a solid choice. Check the Amazon link below for full details, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews.